Unity in the classroom. Short moral story. There was a girl named Sophia in a school. Her class had students from different backgrounds. They didn't get along well. Sophia wanted everyone to be friends. She started a project to bring them together. They did fun activities and talked openly. Slowly, they began to understand and like each other. The class became a happy place. Everyone felt important and supported. Sophia showed that when people work together and respect each other, they can achieve great things. Moral of the story is, being kind, understanding and working together makes everyone happy and successful.